Why don't you open the drapes? It is the 26th of November. And they're 23 days old.
Try to get the bone.
And they love to interact with people. Coco, what are you doing, jealous girl? She's all, who's messing with my babies? Who's messing with my babies? And blue, we got a dark blue collar. We used to have a light blue collar. We got a dark blue collar because the light blue one was hard to see on video. Coco, lay down. Jared, get up so she can lay down. Jared, get up so they can lay down. I mean, Coco can lay down. Look. She could even stand up and they're still going to try to drink. It's so funny. Coco, lay down, Mama. Coco, lay down, Mommy. Lay down, Coco.
Bit my foot.
Coco, lay down, babies. Lay down. Lay down, Coco. Lay down, Coco.
I'll be back on, please.
Coco. No. Coco. Lay down, Coco. Get Coco to lay down, Jerry. Coco, lay down. Jared, help her to lay down, please. Coco, lay down.
Right here.
Lay down, Coco. Lay down, Bubba's.
I think she just wants to have
Coco, lay down.
train.
No, she needs to lay down. Coco, Coco Pebbles, lay down right now.
I don't think she wants to lay down.
I know, but they can't all eat like that. I mean, I guess they can. Clearly they are.
I feel bad. Why do you do this to your babies, Coco?
Coco, you gonna lay down, Bubba's. Here, open the drape so that there's more light in here for her.
Coco, lay down. Lay down.
Jared. That's okay, just that. Ta-da! Okay, Coco. Lay down, Coco. Coco. Mama, lay down, Mommy.
She's just looking outside. No, the baby's just looking on your milk. Okay, I'll be over there.
No.
Just for a while.
No. Coco. Mommy. Mama Coco, lay down. Good, Mommy. Good, Mommy. Lay down, Mama. Look at the milk on their little faces. That's so funny. You're looking like a cow, Coco. You don't want to look like a cow. Coco, come here. Come lay down. Come lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Coco. Alrighty. I'm going to help Coco to lay down and get these puppies fed with her taking a rest. Alright, bye.